Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see how you can overcome these error codes while installing Microsoft Office. I have already made a video in the past while some users commented that it is not working, so this is the extended version of the fix. Simply go to Google and search Revo Uninstaller. Go to this web page. And download it from here. Now install the software. Click on finish. Now wait for the program to load all the softwares installed on your system. From here find Microsoft Office and click on the uninstall tab above. Now uncheck this option and click on continue. Click on uninstall. Once the installation is done, click on close. Now from here click on next. Now it will scan for all the leftover files of Microsoft Office. Simply select them all and click on delete. Click on yes to delete the files. That's it. The uninstallation process is complete. Now press Windows plus R to bring the run dialog box and type TEMP and click on OK. Now select all the files from here and delete them. Checkmark this box and skip the files that can't be deleted. Now press Windows plus R again and type %temp% and click on OK. Select all the files and delete them. Press Ctrl plus R again and type prefetch and click OK. Click on continue. Select all the files and delete. Press Ctrl plus R again and type %appdata% and click on OK. From here enter the Microsoft folder. Now from here you need to delete the folders of Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Office. Simply delete these folders. Once deleted, restart your system once. After the system restarts, simply go to this web page. I'll give the link in the video description. Keep this to 64-bit. Now select the Office suite. I'll be selecting the 2024 edition. Now from here select the programs you want to install. I'll be keeping it simple to only Word, Excel and PowerPoint and click next. Select the language from here. Click on next. Click on next again. Uncheck this option. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next again. And finally click on finish. Now simply click on export. Select this option and click on OK. Checkmark this box and export. Now the configuration file for Office will get downloaded. Cut this file. Go to your desktop and create a new folder. Rename the folder to Office 2024 and paste the configuration file inside it. Now go to your browser again and go to this web page. I'll give the link in the description to download the Office deployment tool. Simply download the tool. Now run the deployment tool as administrator. Checkmark this option, click on continue. Now select the Office 2024 folder which you created in desktop and click on OK. Now you will see 3 files similar to this. In the configuration file, just replace the capital C with a small letter C. And that's it. Now before continuing the installation, go to Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. From here, go to Manage Settings. Now disable all the security modules. If you are using any other antivirus software, disable it for the time being until you are doing the installation of Microsoft Office. Now simply go to the address bar, click here and copy this location. Now look for CMD, right click over it and run it as administrator. Make sure you are running it as administrator, else the process will not work. Now type cd space, paste the folder copied location and hit enter. Once done, now type this setup space /configure space configuration.xml and hit enter. That's it. You will not get any error now. The Office installation will begin. Make sure the internet speed is good while you are performing this operation. Now sit back and relax and wait for the installation process to finish. That's it. The installation is successfully completed. Now you can open any Office application without any errors. So make sure you are following each and every step shown in the video, else the tutorial will not work. After completing the installation, you can delete the Office 2024 folder and empty the recycle bin and enable all the security modules in Windows Security. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if this helped. Thank you.